Welcome to the coding board. This is session 1 of language fundamentals. Let's begin the session. To prepare any program or to write any application using any programming language, we need prerequisite building blocks. Building blocks is nothing but component. Now, out of this prerequisite component, some components need to be provided by default by the programming language itself, and some components need to be developed by developer. Now, some building block directly by default provided by programming language is called language fundamental. Now, let's move on. What exactly language fundamentals we are going to get from any programming language to prepare applications? What are those? Let's see one by one. Tokens, data types, typecasting, language statement, predefined functions, and constants. That's it in this session. What is token, what is data type, what is typecasting, all those points we will see in upcoming sessions. Thank you.